I need help with one prank.
Eh?
I need help with one prank. Basically, I'm gonna change your name out of my phone and put it as a man name. But I want to FaceTime you. You don't have to show your face at all. You can just lean up the phone and have it on. I don't know, just lean up the phone. Just don't show us you because obviously you can't go do that. So, I go act like me show you me. You know, me JJ on FaceTime. So just don't talk. Nothing what you do, just don't talk because you know just to know your voice. If you ever try to change your voice. Yeah. So I go change it now. What me call you? Michael? Chris? Guys, go over to Kim's Beauty YouTube channel and subscribe. I'm gonna put it on the screen and put the link in my description box. Go over and show her some love. But yeah, I'm gonna change your name and do my intro. So when you see me a call, just pick up. Oh guys, may I use my camera record? Tell me the quality look now guys. Tell me the quality look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. But wait, don't forget to like up the video, comment more than one time, and turn on the post notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So guys, I'm gonna have a little prank for now. I don't know the prank where I go around where you show your JJ, your kitty on FaceTime. I'm gonna do that today. So I'm gonna need to explain nothing, just make way get into it. Before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Life with the Blights YouTube channel. Go over there, go subscribe and show them some love. I'm gonna put the link to their channel in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. Click on the link, go over there, support them, and tell them say Iandra sent you. Let's get into this video. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I changed Kimona name to Chris with a red heart. So we're gonna get into it now. Kimona, please pick up. It's a poor connection. All if it has a poor connection, I still have to go on with it because I just want Jesus to see me there on a call with somebody. What I do is I crack the door. So anything what I say in here, Jason. Yeah. I turn on the volume for Kimona because I don't want her to talk. Or I don't want nobody to ask her and she have to talk. So I can just lean up the phone so she didn't on it now. I want to see Danina answer. Just an answer. More friends are not enough fat. Is that the truth? Is that? I'll put it by here. I'll put it by here. So lay down. Lay down, I'll put it by here. You like it? Move friends, you can't touch it. You want to touch it? In a honored fast. So. We always go, we can't hear you, we can't hear you. Touch it. Touch it. You like what you say? Extend maybe. So okay, so where you want me to ride it? Ride what? You're probably not ride what?
Oh yes, sir.
Eh?
Oh yes, sir.
I'm not saying anything.
Anybody come?
Oh. Jesus.
Alright, let's go up the ladder.
Is it?
Let's go up the ladder.
Oh. Alright. Are you giving me a problem? Right. Now come back here. What you want to party your whole
This is one. You know the house, you know? Right, you remember some of there?
This is a TikTok now.
You must really have TikTok and keynote over your phone. You in the house and you do that in Iandra?
This is a TikTok me I do.
Don't tell me no foolishly, I see what you do. And you on phone too. Yo, how are this?
This is a TikTok. You love over here.
Don't tell me no foolish.
It's a TikTok.
Let me see you. You're keynote over. Answer a call. Answer a call. Anthony came upon me. Let me see what they on the phone.
It's a TikTok trainer.
TikTok trend what? You show your pum pum in a. Bro. Bro. I'm not going to wait no. Yo, stop. Let me see your phone. Let me see your phone.
Stop.
Let me see your phone.
Stop.
Let me see your phone.
No longer hurt yourself. You're lucky.
Who name Chris?
I don't know.
Who name Chris? Who name Chris?
I don't know.
Who name Chris?
It's a TikTok. I don't know. It's a TikTok.
A TikTok for your skin out over your phone for a phone call.
In one time it done, it never did I go look so.
When time what done?
When the edit.
Where you use record the TikTok? Where you use record the TikTok? May your phone
It's
this.
on.
So show me a video.
You come off.
Show me the video.
Just a minute in the middle.
Bro, no, stop talking to me, man. Show me the video now.
Alright.
Me know that bag with you. Show me the video. Where the TikTok there? You have TikTok account?
Yes.
Show me the video. Show me the video. Right, if you never know something there with a deaf girl, show me video. Where you walk, where you go?
They got from my phone.
Yo, be broke, you know.
They got from my phone.
Yo, let go for this. Let go for this. Yo. Pull your phone. Let me know your password. Or you delete. Where video? Where video? Where video?
Just give me my phone now. You know what you say? I'm not fasting your business. Don't fast it and give me my phone.
I ask you a question, you say you do want TikTok for the video.
I never did that do no TikTok. Since I don't want the truth, I never did that do no TikTok.
My girl say, you disrespect me, a keynote you. A keynote you say go over phone to man and you know say me in ya.
So why is that in your
You know, you want to have an open relationship. Alright, cool.
Move from.
No, yo, no.
Get off of me.
Let me appreciate for it.
You know what me did I do?
No,
You know what me did that do?
you need one of them Jada will and it's cool. I'm not kill up myself over nothing, man. You hear? You need that open with it?
Hello, lucky then. Whatever.
What the fuck? Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Give me that phone. Because you have. Let's see who you have to this time.
I feel your phone.
I'm not going to take you out of me.
No, I feel your phone.
Take you out of me. You don't remember buy you a flip phone? Alright.
Give me my phone.
I'm going to talk to you, man.
Give me my phone.
I'm an idiot. Imagine the day I took low and you do this today.
I hear things. Camera things come.
I mean, I just become no wine and a group shadow in my girl. They say, this year, this to my face and then me I can take it like me cool. I prison me no want to fear G.
Give me my phone. Come in anyway, come in here, disturb me for.
You don't have this part.
But I don't want to hear it. Record it back. Man must have wonder if me a pick me or something. Can you make it now answer? You have to drop me, put on my clothes, because I don't know what they are. See, then my clothes on. My clothes on now. You must feel better.
No, you don't see me done. Outside, me have to spell it out here.
Done go away. Done what? Done what?
You want to put my phone, go me and take.
Come here. Come here.
Come
Come here. Come here. Come here. Make you hear me? I call you. Come here. Alright, come here.
Come to me.
Jesse, can you come here
Come to
please?
me. Like you know, with your crutches over phone, man, I'm in a house. No respect for me.
Jesse, do you see me or do that?
And that me see. I'm not telling you nothing neither. That me see.
Jesse, you didn't see me or do
And
that?
that me see.
I put on my clothes, I feel better. It was a TikTok and under me never did I go show up.
So hold on, make you start owning fans, because you're asking out the crutches over. What the video? What the video? What the video?
Let me show you, come sit down.
What the video? Show me
Just
now.
sit
I
down.
want to sit down, just show me the video.
Jesse, sit down. Sit down. Sit down, let me show you a video. Babe, sit. Jesse, sit down, let me show you a video. Jesse, sit down, I can't show you.
Yo, you know, show me that video. Just show me the video yo, before me just show me the video.
No, we can't move.
You in a mood for what? Mood for what? Let's show about your money phone. Oh, rest. So you there now, sir?
You say you stay?
Oh, me stay.
You say you're jealous?
Yeah, feel me.
When you like a pepper hot.
Which fool? No, kiss
You
me.
be jealous, you know? And you're going like you're not jealous.
Bro, I respect is something name here. Okay. Because I can make phone call and show me tool too. And then tell us it's a Snapchat. Tell us it's a Snapchat.
But no answer that.
Yo, stop push me what no man.
But no answer that.
Stop touch me too no. And stop touch push me. You know some weak too no.
Guys, that was a good one. But I think we need to add nothing more upon that.
I did that, you know, I know you can't show me TikTok, you just set the camera that is forget catch. And that will believe I'm work with my intuition.
And when you see video go up, how you go feel by yourself?
It's like a G same way.
If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for trod the journey with me. Road to 100K. Bye guys.